Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to get free WordPress templates using Astra theme. Right? How to get free WordPress templates for your website using WP Astra theme or using starter templates. So for many people when they want to build a website, they either go to themeforest.com to get their template and pay lots of amounts for it. Or Astra gives you a lot of templates that are almost similar to premium templates, and it gets the job done for you without paying any amount. So I'll show you how to do that and save a lot of money. So let's get started. Alright. So first thing first, we are logged into our WordPress dashboard, and the first thing you would do is go to appearance, then go to themes. Before then, let me show you what our website looks like. Okay, still nothing. So here it is. Here is what our website looks like. That's the default WordPress template. So go to appearance, then go to themes, then click on add new. Then you search for Astra. Here's the theme. So you can just install here and activate the theme, but there's another way you can also do it using the plugin section, which I love doing the most, because most times when you install the theme from here, you'll still be asked to install the plugins also, so I'll be able to get the templates that come with the theme. So I'll be using the plugins method. So I'll go to plugins, then I click on add new, and then I search for starter templates. So starter templates, then you install now and activate. So by default, when you install this plugin, you've also activated the Astra theme, and you've also installed you've also imported the templates that comes with Astra. So I'll show you what that looks like. So now we've activated the plugin. It's taking us to a page, starter templates page. Let's give this some time to load. Oh, let me refresh. So after activating the plugin, it asks you to select a page builder. So some of you might be used to the block editor that comes with WordPress. Some people are used to Beaver Builder. Some people like Elementor. So whichever page builder you feel is convenient for you, you can use. But I prefer Elementor most times because that's what I like using, and it's very easy for me. So I'll select page builder, Elementor. Select Elementor, and as you can see here, we have various templates. Right? Various templates we have for businesses, we have agency, we have restaurants, we have hotel and travel, we have construction, we have real estate. When you go to local business, you can see templates for electricians, plumbers, AC technician, roofing services, courier delivery. If you go to personal care, you see salon, beauty, fitness, yoga, spa, and massage. If you go to professional staff, you see finance, accountants, law, coach, medical. So this means you can build websites for different professionals, different kind of people. Right? So if you want to build a website for an accountant, you have the templates here. If you want to build a website for a law firm, you have the templates here. Let's go to personal sites. You have the one for portfolio, for photographers, for artists, for author, for musicians. A community section. You have for preschool. You have school, kindergarten, for university, for church, for charity. If you go to the e-commerce section, you see online store, online shop, clothing store, jewelry store, sports stores, bookstore, online courses, course marketplace, LMS, that is learning management system. Then in the blog section, you have the blog templates, you have for bloggers, you have for a full blog, you have for travel blog, news site, magazine. So various templates you can select for. So I'll be choosing a particular theme. So I'll show you the installation process and how you can have the theme installed on your website. Then so let's click on e-commerce. Let me show you some e-commerce templates. So here you have this, you have the brand store, and lest I forget, on Astra, in the free version, you have some free templates. Then you also have some premium templates. Those ones can only be gotten when you subscribe to the Astra premium package. But for most times, if you are good at editing templates, you might not even need to subscribe for the premium template, unless you have the money and feel you should just do the subscription and do an upgrade and get the premium template. But most times I've never had to use any of the premium templates because most of the free templates are actually standard enough for me to customize and get my desired results. So here you have the brand store template. This one is free, this one is free, and this one is free. This is for an organic store brand. And you have these are premium templates. And you have this for an ebook author, and this is an e-commerce site for a bookstore, and this then you have this for a plant shop, in case for you have a client that sells plants. You have this for a cosmetic store. So very amazing templates here on Astra that you can select from. As you can see, lots of templates. So I'll just select one, which is this custom printing store. And right here you can upload your logo if you want. You can adjust the logo width if you want, but I'll just keep that for now and click on skip and continue. Then you can also change the default colors of your theme. If you don't like this red here, you can use the blue. You can use this one, changing the colors. Go back to this one. This is what it looks like. You can also change the fonts. Let's say you don't like this default font that comes with it. You can go back to this. You can use this. You can use this. Whichever font you want. Alright. So I just go with the default font and click on continue. And then I would just click on submit and build my website. So this will take about some few minutes. So now the template that we selected, the e-commerce template, is being installed. Let's give it some few minutes for this to be done. So we'll wait till it gets to 100%. So it's at 90% now. It's almost done. Wow, so it's completed and it's at 100%. So we'll click on this place that says view your website. Yeah, so this is how our website looks like now. This is the template we installed, the e-commerce templates, and as you can see, it looks very nice. That's the shop functionality, the add to cart functionality, and you can edit all of these images and the text using your page builder, which you selected initially. Edit it to your taste and whatsoever I want. As you can see, these are the default images that come with the templates. So it looks really nice. I edit all of these testimonials and stuff. So that's it basically. And now you can use Astra to get free templates for your website projects without spending lots of dollars on getting templates from other websites. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and also click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.